Is being alleged to be linked to South India's biggest terror suspect. Times Now Prema has a 2005 call list that points to this link.
Controversial Kerala politician Abdul Nasser Madani going all out to defend his wife Sophia after suspicions that she is linked to South India's biggest terror suspect, Nazir.
എനിക്കും എന്റെ ഭാര്യയെയും നാടുകടത്താൻ നടക്കുന്ന ഗൂഢശ്രമത്തിനെതിരെയാണ് സമരങ്ങൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
In my hand is a phone transcripts that proves the calls made and received by Sophia Madani while her husband Abdul Nasser Madani was in jail. Calls made by terrorists accused on the day of the Kalamassery bus burning incident to tell her that the operation was successful, something which was even admitted by LET South India Commander-in-Chief T. Nazir.
But the bigger question, did the controversial Kerala politician and acquitted terror suspect Madani know of his wife's link-up?
കോടതി പറയാണ് സൂഫിയയെ അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാ പറയുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ആ നിമിഷം സൂഫിയ അറസ്റ്റ് വരിച്ചിരിക്കും. യാതൊരു പ്രശ്നങ്ങളും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നത്തിനും PDP പ്രവർത്തകരെ ആരെയും നമ്മൾ വിടൂല. പക്ഷേ എനിക്കും എന്റെ ഭാര്യയെയും നാടുകടത്താൻ നടക്കുന്ന ഗൂഢശ്രമത്തിനെതിരെയാണ് സമരങ്ങൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
But bluster won't be enough. The link-up is already taking on political color, with the nation's Home Minister breathing down Madani's neck. His patrons in the left are on the defensive.
It is a serious matter and law should take its course.
The links between Sophia Madani and LET's South India boss T. Nazir won't go away soon, especially as T. Nazir has now been arrested and is singing in custody. With camera person Raju Rafal, this is Prema Sridevi in Thiruvananthapuram for Times Now.
And